So I'm Paul Morley, I'm the Engineering Director here at Kannegiesser UK. Kannegiesser is a world's leading organisation in the field of industrial laundry. We've got a variety of locations around the world. Here on this site we manufacture a monorail materials handling system. We also do service, spare parts, sales and project management for the whole range of products into the UK market, as well as exporting our materials handling system around the world. Kannegiesser UK employs about 170, 180 people. We moved into this building in 2013. The building was fully refurbished and we had an air conditioning system installed at that time. It was good at first, but there's no doubt that the performance of it fell off over the years. It was causing frustrations amongst the team. You'd have parts of the office which were meant to be at nice, comfortable working temperature, and the system was cycling to be too cold, too hot. The control of it wasn't particularly good, and then we also started having outages where it was just not working at all. You can imagine with about 40 or so people working in offices, that doesn't lead to the best working environment and it causes gripes and irritations from people. We had contractors in to try and effect repairs. They couldn't support it with spare parts, so we realised that the time had come to get a whole new system. So having contracted MAC to do the replacement, we had to consider, how do we do this major work inside a working office? And so we had to come to an arrangement with MAC to make sure that they could do their work, but at the same time we had to continue to operate. We had a meeting with some of the key management from MAC. We talked about how we could vacate parts of our building for periods of time. That actually works quite well. They actually worked overnight, and basically what it meant was when we came in the morning, the office is pretty much as it was before. It can't have been easy for them working through the night, but they made sure that at the end of each shift they kept all of the tools, materials, that sort of thing in very clearly defined areas, and then that meant that life for us was fairly uninterrupted. All in all, Midland Air Conditioning, good company to work with. I would use them again if we were in a similar circumstance, although obviously with a system like this you hope not for some time, and I'd have no hesitation recommending them to other companies.